Make it an hour long.
Wait, did anyone catch the sales early in the Asian session?
No, I didn't, bro. I didn't.
Man, I was at home already and I was upstairs, and then I came to my room and I saw the setup, and I was wishing to be early in my room.
Yeah, man. It's coming down a bit now, though. So hopefully we'll catch another buy.
Yeah. Nah, man. I was pushing air, man. I was like, the big candle. I saw it when the big candle just dropped. I was like, man, and it was good too. I was like, oh man. And that dude was like, man, he was talking about it. I was like, do you catch it? He's like, but you guys got on profit, right? BE Man, I was trying to I took a position, but I forgot about the lot sizes were different. And I was like $20 drawdown. I was like, bro, get out of here, man. I was so mad because like, bro, whatever. I thought you guys managed to catch like at least 20, because I saw it drop for a little bit. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee, cause she the only 10 I see. Repsin, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now. Push it, 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 push it. Never got a handout, had to get mine. Feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. You're on step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? Turn on God, hell steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti,
How come in indices they don't make the contracts bigger? Cause man, that's annoying. That's it's like $20 drawdown, man. I'm just gonna bet at this point. Like, oh man.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you push it 40. You can never little bro me. You're on step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Hell steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state. Make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who?
Good morning, YouTube. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys had a great trading day yesterday. Give me a second. All right, so let me change this song real quick. Looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state. Make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was all right, guys. So let's do some markups here on gold. Looking at gold on the daily. Previous resistance here at around 2088 have been taken out, so next destination for gold is going to be this swing high, and if gold can break the swing high at 2149, that means we will be, breaking above the previous all-time high, and then we'll be creating a new all-time high. So we will see what happens. So we have so on the daily time frame here, we have a swing high at 21.48. Let me just make sure. 21.49. And we have a swing low at 18.09. That's a swing low on the daily. And we got a daily support here at 19.31. Get another daily support at 19.83. Right now we're done with the daily time frame. Now we head to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we have a 4 hour support at 19.94. We got another one at 2016. And we got this at 2024. And we have a new daily resistance here at around 21.20. Name this for our resistance. All right, now let's head to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, let me move this here. We have a 1 hour support here. We just call this a minor support because this support failed to break the highs. Where is it? Okay, and we have a 1 hour demand sitting right here. Let's use this right here. 1 hour demand. Get one down here. Get another one down here. Okay, now let's see what we looking like on the 30-minute. So now on the 30-minute, we have, let me move this a little bit here. So on the 30-minute, we have this demand right here. 30-minute demand. So now we can head to the time frame. We will be looking for entries, see what we have. Now the 15-minute, which is the time frame we will be looking to take entries, we have another demand sitting right here, which is a 15-minute demand. And now we're done with our markup. So, excuse me, guys. Now, in regards to in regards to taking a position here, now this is what I'll be looking forward to here with gold. Now we went back up and rejected the 4 hour resistance, right? And we have a 1 hour support here. Now, if gold, since we rejected this 4 hour resistance, if gold comes down, right, and break this 1 hour support right here, if we come down aggressively, right, if we come down aggressively and then reject this 30-minute demand here, I will be looking to take buys. But if we come down aggressively at some point, and then let's say we get to this level around it, let's say as soon as we close below, okay, as soon as we close below, and then price decides to create a support. Let's say we create a support around here. Let's say we create a support at around 2107. So let's say we create a support around there. If we create a support here without tapping the demand, and then we come down and then break that support that was formed, I'm not expecting this demand to hold. Right? I won't be expecting this demand to hold. Why? Because price broke below 2110, which is the low of this high, which means with price now came down and created a new low. That means we have a new lower low. So if we create a support here and price continues to the downside, before we get back to this 15-minute demand, I will be looking for something like this for price to now push back up to tap the new supply that was formed, for price to continue at least back down to this demand. That is the only way I'm going to take sales. But if price continues to come down aggressively after breaking this low, then I'm just gonna wait for price to come back down to this demand. Or if it keeps coming down aggressively, I'll wait for price to come back down to the next demand zone, and then I'll look to take my buys, because we have a bullish overall structure. As of right now, we do not have a bearish structure. So for now, my bias is bullish on gold until further notice. So we just gotta wait and see what gold is going to do. So that's pretty much what I'm looking forward to here today. This looks similar to yesterday. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Casper. Good morning, Janaeus. Good morning, Tao. Good morning, Piyush. Good morning, Sean. Oh, still needs on repeat. Wow, did you stay up for any trades yet during AY after we left?
No. How about you?
Oh, no, I didn't. Both NASA and USD later fell, but they just had to freaking do it late in the day.
Man, so late. It's like right at the closing hours.
Yeah. Even though if we had let the USD run, we would have got the 20 pips we were looking for, but man, so frustrating.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, this ain't USD. This is another.
It was playing up like Nas does.
Yeah.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, figure it's in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay creep until you're guilty. And why?
It's looking like a similar, looking very similar to yesterday.
Yeah.
Good morning, Omar. I should analyze Shiba Inu. Oh no, you can send your chat to Discord. Thank you, Tao. Yes, it does. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, Addy. Edwin is not here today. He'll be back tomorrow. Market is upside or downside? Let me ask you a question. What do you think? What do you think? Give me your response. What do you think? How does this chat look to you? Good morning, Solved. Good morning, man. Nicaea. I hope I pronounced your name right. Man, I'm telling you, Lucian, man, if you don't have that Shiba, man, you better buy it and freaking hold on to it. My Shiba, I'm not touching that thing.
Yeah, I have a small portfolio of crypto for 10 years. Maybe one of the 30 crypto, if one of them blows like Ethereum or Bitcoin, I want to be part of that. Not a very big portfolio, but I want to have some crypto. Who knows?
Yeah.
In 10 years, what happens?
Pretty much.
Not heavy.
Pretty much, me too. Like the mistake I made with Bitcoin, I'm not making that mistake again. Xauusd says we are bearish because double top +2 bearish engulfing. We're not bearish yet, and we're actually talking about the 15-minute time frame right now. We aren't not bearish yet, and this is why I say that. Right now, we are still bullish. We're bullish overall on the higher time frame, and right now on this time frame, the 15-minute time frame, we are still bullish because the low that this high created has not been taken out yet, which is this low right here. So this low created this low. This high created this low created this high. Until we break this low, we do not have a lower low. So we just still in this range right now. So we are still bullish, meaning we created this high, we created this higher low. We've not yet created a higher high yet because this high, previous high, has not been taken out yet. So we're in this range. That's what we see. But in terms of the overall structure, we are still bullish. That's it. You're just giving assumptions? Okay.
Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Wow, you got any crypto?
No.
What? If you let's buy some Shiba, buy some Doge, buy some shit, even Ripple. Let me see. Check my portfolio. Let me tell you what I have in my portfolio.
Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
So I got Ripple, I got Dogecoin, I got VeChain, I got Spell Token, I got Terra, I got Sandbox, I got Stellar, I got Theta, and Binance.
Jesus, you got a lot.
And Cardano. Oh, and Shiba. Shiba is the most that I got. That's what is in my crypto portfolio. And I'm gonna hold every single one of them. I ain't touching them. It's an investment.
Yeah, when we are older. I did it so for the pension.
Exactly.
Who knows? In 10, 50 years, I have
Yeah,
more or less till 30. One
man.
of them, if you touch 1,000, you are good. And now it's cheap. It's a shame not to
Man.
be investing. Not a big amount, but you see, with the $300, you can make 10,000 or more if you have lucky.
Yeah. You have Jazz My Coin. Which one is that? I never heard of that one.
Jasmine coin, yes, it's very cheap and it's now it's 300% up in my portfolio.
Oh wow.
Jasmine coin, yes, some Japanese coin. Yeah, but this coin, what I buying, I not buying meme coins, just coins that have some utility. Like in finance, in AI, I have a lot of crypto on AI. That it's all up, like IT, internet computer or some crypto that have some utility in the market.
Yeah. Do I think gold will go back down to 2082? Man, I don't see that happening. There has to be a major news event to push it that far down. I don't see that happening. Can I teach you for free because you're facing financial crisis? Well, just show up here every day. I have all but the main one. Yeah, you can win. That was what I was saying. I don't have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at what? It's getting close to 70 grand. It's pointless for me to freaking invest in Bitcoin right now. I'm too late. I'm too late.
Yeah, and XLP. They say this is the future of crypto.
Yeah.
Stellar
So
and yeah.
in my opinion, so it's Bitcoin, Ethereum. I feel like XRP will be the next.
Yeah, that I have the much.
Yeah,
XRP
I got XRP.
and Dogecoin also.
I got Dogecoin too.
Dogecoin is very influenced by Elon Musk.
I don't think he's like really involved with Dogecoin anymore. I don't know. I might be wrong, but I don't think he is. I should teach you for free. What am I doing here? This is free knowledge right here. You want to learn for free, then show up every day. It might take you some time, but just show up every day. Ever so, I've already given you my response. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Man, Good was insane yesterday during NY. She just never gave an entry. Breakout traders were eating yesterday on Gold.
Man, it was so close to giving us a setup.
Yeah, it was so close. It was this
Oh
candle.
yeah, it was that candle. Yeah. No. Oh man.
I think the volume was because of Friday FOMC members speech.
No way.
Yeah, I don't
There's
think
not a
so
chance in hell.
either. Yeah, that's not why.
Oh yeah, like just a few days ago, I was saying how we're in that down channel, and then the moment it breaks, it's gonna rip. It was like the very next day, daily candle closed above, and then it's like it's on.
Yeah.
Big players are ready.
Just like today too. It already closed above the previous resistance.
Yep.
Now it has to fill this week.
Yep. I hate it when the price moves like this because there's no good like setups, like demand setups that you can really take.
Mm-hmm.
It just doesn't want to pull back, Then it'll reject out of the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. I think there is a 5-minute demand. I was looking at it earlier, but it didn't. It didn't even touch the 5-minute demand before creating a support.
Yeah.
He kept hinting at records. Okay. He was also waiting for it to retest, but it kept on going. Yeah, man. We were waiting for Gold to do the same thing too yesterday. She never did it. And then we took US 30 sales, man. We ended up getting out at break even.
The sad thing is, you could have bought gold anywhere at New York session. You could have hit the buy button at any point in time and made money.
Yeah, it was crazy. FOMO would have worked yesterday.
You know,
All you have to do is just FOMO anyway.
doesn't matter. Just press it.
En la vida me he enchulado y como tú no hay nadie más. Tú un porro y los demás. Jamás. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Me gustan ellas, me gustan así de rica pa' que la vean. Sin dedo santo en la piel, pero esa tea, yo la pongo a creer en algo. Mora a las 7 que salgo, yo Maretini. No sabe inglés, pero siempre dice roll with it. Mezcla de paisa con diosa de Santorini. Un beso tuyo más chimba que un fili. Ese es el feeling. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel, yeah. La baby no es de motel, pero mal azote. Saco la camarilla, quiere que la enfoque. Quiere video conmigo para que se toque. Así de Ricky sin retoques. Contigo soy un bacán, yeah. Somos como el
Oh, hey, Edwin.
So, Aerosoft, so you're basically telling me to freaking fix you into my out of my busy schedule. I should now still teach you for free. I don't know what to tell you, man. If you can't learn for free this way, I don't know what to tell you. I'm too busy to be teaching someone for free. Oh, Edwin, you're here. This is all the free I got for you.
Man, I still remember there was like some, I don't know, some like news reporter thing where he, like many years ago, maybe like 10, 20 years ago, he did a video where basically he just pretended to be like a beggar, homeless guy. And the dude made like 20 bucks an hour just, being like, hey, I need money, to random people outside of a train station.
Wow.
So it's like, Jesus Christ, man, It's like put as much effort into like, begging as you do, I don't know, with whatever work you want to do, maybe you might get some results.
Yeah. Do I have private lesson 101? Yes, I do. It's in the description. Edwin, I told you, sir, you couldn't make it today. You're like, fuck it, I'm trading today, huh? You wanna catch some pips, okay? Oh, you finished what you were doing? Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, didn't you take a NAS trade, Edwin? How'd that go?
Oh, you took NAS yesterday? Oh yeah, the sniper
right?
entry, you took. It got beat.
Oh damn. Yeah, Naz was playing games too. Yeah.
Hey Adam, how you doing? Good morning. Yeah, both US30 and NAS, they wanted more money before they dropped because they eventually dropped.
Yeah, still dropping.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold is deja vu. Literally, you could take a screenshot and just move it down to the previous day and say, oh, look at that.
Yeah, it looks exactly the same like yesterday.
Yep.
The only difference is the pip range. That's the only difference. And also, another difference is that when we go back to the 4-hour resistance yesterday, we just came down aggressively for a little bit. But now this is different. You have this move, we broke below, you had the retest again, minus support formed, and then you have this bearish engulfing candle. We didn't have that yesterday. USD market to open at AM. Yeah. Causation currency said the error was not solved. That was funny. Because they do talking about me teaching him for free. His name is Error Solved.
Oh man, that's ironic. He's lucky Kill the Beat's not here. He would have been banned for life already. I just gave him a little timeout.
Dude, I wish I had someone who taught me for free. I had to figure out all this on my own. On my own. Just in case you didn't hear me the first time. No single trader out there and say, oh, see that dude called King Abe Forex? I taught him how to trade. It's just one person that can say that. And he's the one that I learned supply and demand from. And it's not on social media. I just got lucky of finding him. It's way older. Dude is like freaking 30 plus years older than me.
Abe just wants to give a shout out to the legend, the god, the goat, ICT.
ICT is not even close to this dude. When I first started streaming, those that have been watching me for that long, they'll know that I wasn't trading supply and demand before. I wasn't. because I didn't know nothing about supply and demand before. I used to trade on the 30-minute time frame. And the entries that I used to take is either breakout, for example, let's say we have a breakout of this resistance on the 30-minute, I wait for the 30-minute candle to close. And then once the 30-minute candle closes above, we close above. Then I'll wait for the next candle to open bearish. Now, once we open bearish, once that candle start to flip, and then I'll take my buy entry at the highs. Stop loss will be below the previous candle. That was how I used to trade. Or we get a break, retest, and then I'll take the trade. This was the setup I used to take when I first started streaming. GBP is weak at London session. He's bringing God to this. Say God sees everything. Oh man, is it possible to trade with $100? Yeah, it's possible. But if you're not careful, you can blow your $100. Because it's not easy to trade a small account. That's why you see traders saying if you cannot trade a small account, you can't trade a big account. Crude oil supply the bed. Oh, Vom, you remember that? Nice. Hyperbolic time trader. Oh yeah, definitely you for sure. Yep, when I used to trade AJ, CJ, GJ, yeah. Oh no, I wasn't trading UJ. UJ definitely was not there. But AJ, CJ, GJ, and EJ, yeah, for sure. That is your strategy, break and retest, yeah. But me personally, I feel like as a swing trader, meaning you're trading on at least on the 4-hour time frame and above, break and retest works better. It has a higher win rate on those time frame. Break and retest has a very high win rate on a higher time frame. Lower time frame, not too much. If I was a swing trader, that would be my main strategy, break and retest. You use the 30-minute time frame, yeah. If you think I'm lying, if you go to my channel and go as far back as 2021 and early 2022, you'll see break and retest on the 30-minute time frame. Switch to supply and demand finally on YouTube in I think middle of 2022. So hopefully we get some volume when London session opens. Because we didn't have that volume yesterday at all. Was not even close to the volume we had on Friday during London session.
Like we getting something started today. Cause our body no play.
When did I start to trade? 20 towards the ending of 2016. Then I quit, and then I started again in 2017. But I didn't really take it serious until 2018. But everything started in 2016. Let me tell you about my initial days. All I'll tell you is it was a lot of trial and error. Lost a lot of money. A lot of money. That's why I really wouldn't really advise anyone to try to figure this out on their own. Now, if you want to do that, you can, but I wouldn't advise anyone to do that, because if I'm to do this all over again, I wouldn't try to figure it out on my own. And if you ask me what is the best way to start, I'll just tell you, start with going to babypips.com and then watch live stream trades like this. Does not have to be me. Anyone you want to watch them, take notes. And then if you find yourself that you're still struggling, or you need help, or you want to speed up the process, then just get to a mentor. If they have a mentorship community, join that mentorship community. Even if that trader is sending signals, just make sure that trader is not just all they do is send signals. If they at least trading live, then that's good. And I'll just recommend for you, just it's best for you to join the live than you just sit back and be looking to get the signals, because you're not learning anything that way. You're not learning anything. You might as well just keep working your 9 to 5. There are traders out there that stream and they send signals as well, and there are some they don't trade live, all they do is send signals. You would have went the perfume route if we could do it all over again. If you don't know how to trade, there's no point going the perfume route. But if you do, and you don't have enough capital, then yeah. If you don't know how to trade, if you know your risk management sucks, your discipline sucks, your patience sucks, there's no point going to a perfume. The only exception I will say in regards to that is if you get a perfume and you also in the process of learning. I'm not talking about signals now. I'm talking about you actually be in the process of learning. You're in a mentorship community, trading with whoever the mentor is. So that's the only exception I would give. But if you're looking to get a perfume just so that you can get signals for someone, or just so that you can just get a perfume account and then you're looking for someone to pass it for you, you're just wasting your time. What if the trader passes the perfume challenge for you? Then what? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do after that? When I was learning, I don't know why some people just don't think like this. When I was learning, I told myself, I'm like, if this trader can do this, what's stopping me from freaking doing it, and even surpassing him? What's stopping me from doing it? If he can, I can do it. Shit, I can even do it better. That was what I told myself. I didn't say, okay, you know what? Since he's doing it already, he knows how to do it, I'm gonna just freaking pay him every month and just freaking copy his trades. I'm looking long term. I'm not doing this short term. This is a long term thing for me. This is a long term thing for me till the day I freaking die, till the day God calls me home. I'm gonna keep doing this. Yeah, sure, it has its ups and downs, But through it all, I love it. Freaking love it. I love the bad, the good, the ugly. Love everything.
I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game.
What are we looking at today? Gold is bullish. So my bias as of right now is buys. Depending on what happens after we close below this 1 hour support, depending on what happens after we close below this 1 hour support, that's going to determine what position I'm going to take, either if it's going to be a quick sells or buys. Because if we do not either break above or break below this range, I'm not taking anything. Not taking anything.
Me no look no other way, do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow.
Why don't I become Nigerian Prime Minister? Well, Nigeria, we don't have Prime Minister in Nigeria. You want to learn this and become like that signal provider? You can do it, Evans. Hey, Faye, how you doing? I love the 1 a.m. mornings. Not as much as I used to. Not as much as I used to. Because, you know, the older you get, your body changes. Oh, the Nigerian banker that died on the way to the Super Bowl? I don't know. I feel like I fell in love with London session because when I first started, this was the session that I was able to do, able to trade. I had free time during London session. So I got used to London session. Because I was living in California when I first started trading, and NY session opened at 5 a.m. NY session opened at 5 a.m. so I could not even trade the NY session because an hour after NY opened, I'm already out. I'm already out of the house. 6 a.m. I'm out of the house to go drive Uber. So I'm already out of the house. So I couldn't trade the NY session. So London session was the session I was able to trade. I wasn't trading NY session until I went full time. Why am I not smoking today? Oh, you're talking about weed? Oh, it's coming. Don't worry. It's coming. Well, London session is open. We don't have enough pip range here. Just steady. 30 pips, pip range.
coming my way. I can switch it up for you, girl. I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for
What the hell? Uber need me, man. Uber need themselves. Looking at the 5 minute, we have this going on. Low, high, low. We're gonna retest again to continue to the downside.
I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escape.
Man, if this move broke this high, this should have been our first demand here. Looking at this on a 1 hour, and I would have been looking for buys. See this 1 hour demand, and that is what's currently holding here as of right now. But the issue right here is that this support that was formed did not break this previous high. That's what's stopping me from looking for buys right now. That's what's stopping me from looking for buys. Outlook on USD. Last time I looked at USD, it was dropping. I don't trade it though in this session. Abe, keep doing a good job. God bless you. Thank you, Bliss. Let's see. Are we gonna break above the highs now since London just opened? I only open without no bottom wick. Yes. We don't have a bottom wick yet. Told this dude to give me sativa. I hope that's what he gave me.
I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can nobody ball on you? Ooh yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah. All of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, they be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah.
What I like to do as far as my resistance zones goes, if the 4 hour, if there is a resistance to the 4 hour, I'm gonna mark it up. If there is no resistance on the 4 hour, then I'll ignore it and look for a demand setup when we have a bullish structure like this. 4 hour is very, 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 very important. Not saying the 1 hour is not either, but 4 hour I pay attention to the 4 hour time frame. As a scalper, so based on my time zone, new candle for London session. So the new candle opens at 12. New 4 hour candle opens at 12. And then the new one opens at 4. So if I want to trade pre-London, I have between 12 and of course 2 to take pre-London position. Now, London session, I have between 2 and 4 to take a position. So meaning for London session, I have a 2 hour window, and pre-London, I also have a 2 hour window. If I do not get a position by 4, I really get iffy taking a position after that. That's why a lot of times you will see that once the new 4 hour candle closes, you're not gonna get a position until at least until after 30 minutes to an hour, after the new 4 hour candle opens. So then you have between 4 and 8, you have another 4 hour window before NY session opens, before the new 4 hour candle opens. So before NY, you have a 3 hour window because NY session opens at 7 my time. So you have to know all this stuff. Gold buy or sell? I don't know. Hey Chuck, how you doing? Oh yeah, man, you guys that live in the West Coast, man, kudos to you. You guys have the worst trading time. The worst trading time. If you live in the United States and you live in the West Coast, and you have a 9 to 5, man, it's gonna be hard for you to trade London and New York. It's gonna be very, very hard if you have a 9 to 5. If you don't, then you can trade both if you want. So, West Coast, London session opens at 11? Yeah, London session opens at 11, I believe. No. I take that back. So, London session opens at 12. Yeah, London session opens at 12 Pacific, and NY opens at 5 a.m. So, London session is better in the West Coast. NY session is tough. Oh, that's the same thing for you, Elizio? 12 and then 5? Man.
Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. Tables turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh. Think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that
The East Coast NY session is better for them.
stuck in my mind. Things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind. Long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my
Yes, exactly. It's really about how bad you want this. That's true. That is true.
did not see you last week.
Yeah. When I used to stay up for London because I have to go drive early in the morning, I'm supposed to be sleeping at that time, but I had to do what I had to do.
Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me
Yeah, people with the best trading times here, Africans and Europeans and Asians too. And Asians too. They got the best trading times. North Americans, we don't. We got the worst trading times. Why am I not live in NY session? I trade live during NY too, not just on YouTube. We do that privately. Yeah, good should break these highs now. We just need volume. If we can break these highs, as far as the 15-minute goes, then we'll have a 15-minute demand sitting right here. And then we just gotta wait for price to come back down there. And 30-minute time frame, depending on how this candle closes here on the 30-minute demand is gonna look like this. And that's what we're going to no, this is the 1 hour. I'm sorry, this is the 1 hour. So depending on how this 1 hour candle closes, 1 hour demand will be right here, 30-minute will be down here. So we'll see what happens. People will live in Dubai too. Yeah, of course. Oh wow, I always forget. What time is London session in Australia again? And then NY.
Starts at 7 p.m. for London, and then 12 midnight for New York.
Ooh. So London is the best for you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. That's crazy that the UK is better for both sessions.
Yeah, I know, right? They get best sessions, perfect time.
Man. London and NY, they got it good. Could have been said, wasn't gonna say anything. My idea is break off 2120 and then retest to continue up. Yes. Yeah, either the 15 minute, the 30, or even the 1 hour, depending on how those two time frame close. Who's the other person talking? Oh, that's wow. Here in the West is good to in Australia 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. What's that? Is that Asian session? Wow.
Sorry?
4 p.m. Faith said here in the West is good through in Australia 4 p.m. and 9 p.m.
Oh, she's talking about London and New York.
Oh, okay.
So she's like on the opposite side of Australia.
Oh. You live in Central Europe, you start at 5 a.m. and trade. Oh, and you trade until 5 p.m. Oh, you must trade full time. You can take Asia, London, and New York. Damn. Yeah, Faye, that's what Wild just said. London and NY. Here in India, London session time is 13:30 p.m. That's 1:30. That's good. Faye said she's on the good side.
Yeah. She is.
Make it fire. Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I want.
What? Michael said in Ethiopia, we are in 2016. 8 years behind the world. What? I'm lost. Is he being funny? Damn, he said he's not being funny. Nah. 2016? I need proof. I need proof, Michael. Like, I need to see your calendar or something. I need proof.
I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side.
Could have been said probable technology is cap. Google it, man. I'm definitely gonna Google it. What levels do I think this month NFP will have? I don't know, Sandile. I have no idea. I don't like to predict stuff like that. Yeah, I know what it means, Faye. I'm just surprised, that's all. And he's probably talking in regards to technology, probably. And he wanted to say it's a banana country like yours. Michael is going to send me a picture of his 2016 Toyota Corolla spoof. No. That's not enough proof. See, we're in 2024 and you can still go to the dealership and get a 2016 Toyota Corolla. So that's not enough proof. Yeah, he has to do better than that. Damn, this weed is low-key strong. Sheesh. I'm definitely going back there. I thought I wasn't gonna go because it was expensive, but shit, I'm going. It's worth the price. Ethiopia has beautiful women. Yeah, they do. They do. To be honest, and this is just my personal opinion, I feel like in the African continent, Ethiopia has the most beautiful women. Ethiopia has the most beautiful women in Africa. And I feel like if any African man wants to really, really be honest, they will agree with me.
She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown.
Ethiopia is the country of great runners. I'm trying to remember. You know what? You might actually be right. No, not them. Not Ethiopia. Kenya, I think. Yeah, Kenya. I think it's, yeah, Kenya for sure. It's Kenya. It has to be Kenya. It has to be Kenya, not Ethiopia. But Ethiopia do too, though. But Kenya is above them. Yeah, Ethiopia is up there too, but Kenya is number one for sure. It's probably Kenya, then Ethiopia, then Namibia. Then maybe Mozambique, because their women can run too. So I don't even think Nigeria is in the top 10. And I'm not talking about 100-meter race, 200-meter race, 400-meter race. No, talking about like 800 and above, like the marathon and stuff. Kenya is up there. They're number one for a fact. Their men, they're not good. They're not that good. But the women, whew. Man, when it comes to those marathon races, 800-meter races, man, give it to Kenya. Okay, so we closed above, and also the 30-minute also closed above. So, and then, let me see, make sure here. Okay, so 30-minute also closed above, but the 1 hour is yet to close above. So we're not going to use the 1 hour demand as of right now. So we are going to start with the 30-minute demand right here. So we got the first confirmation that we're waiting for, which is for price to break and close above the previous resistance. That's our first confirmation. Now, as of right now, as it stands, since we now have the break, we're just simply waiting to get this back to the 30-minute demand, and then for price to continue pushing up to the upside. So that is what we are waiting for until the 1 hour close, because the 1 hour might not close above this previous resistance. And if it does, I'm gonna move this to the 1 hour demand, because we're gonna have this bullish engulfing candle. And the fact that this candle has no bottom wick, right? Yes, so this 1 hour candle has no bottom wick. There is a higher chance that if this 1 hour candle closes, we're gonna have a pullback. Is it gonna be a slight pullback or a deeper pullback? I do not know. I'm not sure. But worst case, we should at least have a pullback to the 30-minute demand. Hopefully we just don't retest here, because we might. And the reason why I say that is because you have a double top here. Sometimes when price breaks above a double top, if it's going to retest, you can just retest the double top and then continue to the upside. Hopefully that does not happen, because if it does, I'm not going to take it, because that's not my strategy. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. I might be full, because I do take break and retest once in a while. I don't know. I might take it. We'll see. I'm not going to say I'm not going to take it, because I do take break and retest once in a while. But it has to freaking look so good. If it looks so good, then I'll take it.
Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves.
I've said this before that the reason why a lot of, not just the reason, the main reason why a lot of traders don't like supply and demand is because it's a very, very patient type of trading. You have to be patient. That's why if you're not patient, if you're not a patient trader in the beginning, supply and demand is going to be hard for you, because eventually it is going to teach you patience. Because the more you take the supply and demand position and you're losing, even if, because you win too, but your impatience is going to stop you from actually being a very profitable supply and demand trader, because you're still learning to have patience. So it is definitely going to teach you patience eventually, but man, you need that patience. It's a very, very patient type of trading. So breakout. Oh, so let me rephrase. All strategy requires patience, but some requires more patience than the rest of them. And supply and demand requires a lot of patience. And the next destination for this thing is daily swing high, around 2148 to 2149. That's where gold should eventually get to. And that's like what? How many pips away from now? So we go to this level here. Oh, I grabbed the wrong tool. So that's about 230 to 250. Wait, was it 300? Okay, 230 to 250 pips. That's the pip range.
But it doesn't really matter when it comes to you, yeah. I can wait till we're together, I can never get enough of you, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company, sitting on the top with me, yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in your world. Yeah, let me in your life. Yeah.
The 1000 challenge. Wow, is Lionel here? I've not really been seeing Lionel down in London except NY. He must be busy down in London now. Well, what's your percentage now with the 1K challenge?
Percentage? Check.
I'm at 23. I know some losses we took, you didn't take them, so
25.
Oh,
I missed a few trades on that thing.
oh, because yesterday trade you didn't even you couldn't take it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because the last time I remember, you were at least 5% ahead of me.
Yeah, I was set like, I think that thing was like already like 30% something.
Yeah. There's now a weekly demand at 2030. Would it even trace back down to tap into a demand like that? I don't even
2030?
I don't even use the weekly demand. I've never ever looked at it. This will be the first time.
Oh my God.
Man, I don't know. Does supply does it I've never looked at supply and demand on a weekly time frame. Maybe if I was a swing trader, yeah, but scalping, nah.
You know, this is kind of funny looking at the weekly because remember when the war broke out and gold went crazy?
Mm-hmm.
It did it right when it tapped into the weekly demand.
Really?
Very clean weekly demand.
Oh wow.
That's a coincidence, man.
We've never looked at supply and demand on a weekly. Yeah, true. Supply and demand is demand is demand, supply is supply, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you'll find it in all time frames, but I never looked at demand or supply on the weekly or the monthly time frame. But looked at it on the daily time frame, used it once in a while. And the reason why I look at multiple time frames when it comes to supply and demand is because, number one, sometimes you might have a low probability demand or supply, for example, on the 15-minute time frame, but you go to like the 1 hour time frame. You will see that on the 1 hour time frame, you have a very high probability, for example, demand sitting right there, but it's actually a low probability on the 15-minute time frame. What do you do then? So I'll just use that same demand, because you can find supply and demand on any time frame. Use that same 1 hour demand, use it on the 15-minute time frame, because price could still come back down there and reject that same 1 hour demand. And then if that happens, I'm definitely going to take that buy position. Oh, and also, before I forget, and also because when you have a supply and demand formed either on the 15 or the 30-minute or the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame, you could have a 4 hour demand, a high probability 4 hour demand on all the time frames, right? But because you trading on the 15-minute time frame, you're expecting price to come back to the 15-minute time frame demand. Sometimes price would not do that. Price will just tap a 4-hour demand and reject instead. I've said this before. That is where fair value gap, according to ICT, that's what fair value gap is. Because you're looking at that gap in between that medium. That's what you're looking at, not knowing that if you go to the higher time frame, price just reject a higher time frame demand, not the fair value gap you looking at thinking that's what it is. It actually tapped a higher time frame demand. That's what happened. So that's why you guys see me. You see me have a 30-minute demand, but then I'm looking to get in on the 15-minute time frame. Got the 30-minute demand here, 30-minute demand here, 15-minute demand here, because I'm focusing on the high probability demand zones, and then I have a 1-hour demand right here. So that's pretty much it. Okay. It proves that technicals work. Yes. You're sick and tired of this bullish momentum. Why? Are you sick and tired of it? 1 hour still got 15 minutes to close. If this 1 hour can close above, man, and we start pulling back after that, this should be a good buy. So I'm hoping this 1 hour closes above. It gives more confirmation to look for nothing but buys. You said it keeps selling. Is that true, Nicholas? You keep selling gold? That's why you're tired of the bullish momentum. So we got a rejection candle already here on the 15-minute. That's a good sign. I like that. I like that. You left your pending. You have a buy limit, admin. You have a buy limit on gold, or you're talking about US oil?
Oh, he's swing trading oil.
Oh. What do you think, Well, it looks good for buys?
Let's see.
No, we're not in, Tokan. You're looking for a nice retracement and it keep buying up since yesterday and then started ranging. Oh, okay. Forex sweet, Sha. Now only if you sabi amo. If you know sabi amo, you know sweet. I did tell you.
swing trade looks okay, I guess. It never closed the daily above the wicks, so
Let's see.
I don't know.
Let's take a look
It's like on the lower time frame, it looks bullish, but
because of Edwin.
on the higher time frame,
As
never
I,
closed above.
as I don't want Edwin to lose. Okay. So just looking at the 15-minute, we got a demand here, which we rejected. Let me see, take a look at the 4-hour here. Okay, so 4-hour, of course, you have this support here, and then
Look at the daily. What do you think?
so the daily, did the daily break above this right
Never
here?
closed above.
Okay, never closed above right there. Okay, now let's go back to the 4-hour. So we closed above on the 4-hour. And then you have a support here that we failed to break. We close above on the 1-hour too. So, Adrian, this is looking at the 1-hour, you have this support here, minor, and you got it here on the 1-hour. Okay, let's go back to the 15. So, Edwin, I won't be looking to take buys right now, even though we rejected that this demand right here. Even though it rejected, you still have this and you have this right here. So what I'll be looking for here is for this first previous lower high to get to break. As long as we do not get back up to the next minor resistance, as long as we do not get back up there, let's say we break above and then we close here, then we start pulling back to, I don't know, wherever the demand level is, then I will take the buys. And then if we break above 78.900, I'll definitely take buys from there, because looking at the 1-hour, you have all this, you have especially from 79.774 to 79.141. It's good, so I'll look for buys at least up until 79.5573. So I'll stay away from.
What do you think about the swing trade?
Right now. To buy the swing trade?
Yeah, because it never closed above on the daily.
Yeah. It never closed above on the daily. It rejected.
Yeah. So probably just like a pull back up to that supply 4-hour.
So I'll still be looking for sales. Edwin, I'll still be looking for sales. Even on the 4-hour, the buys is not safe until we break. Didn't even realize it as the 4-hour supply. Resistance minor. So even on the 4-hour, I won't be looking for buys until it breaks. Yes, around 78.900. That's when I'll start looking for buys. All right. Don't look for buys right now. Let's go back to gold.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries, let your problems go on, until my whole body burns out, I ain't never gonna slow down.
And USL, it was even the previous day that rejected it. The new daily candle has not.
Fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your words.
Now that gold has created a new high, which low does it need to retest? Right now, this 30-minute demand. Minute demand, or even this 1 hour that we rejected from. You'll see it clearly once we go back. I mentioned it earlier, and I also mentioned the reason why I wasn't going to take buys. So this 1 hour demand. So you see what I'm saying right here. This 1 hour demand was what held, even though we had no high probability demand here on the 15-minute, but we have it on the 1 hour. But the 1 hour demand held, and we had this bullish move. And I said earlier that the only reason why I wouldn't be using the 1 hour demand to look for possible buys was because we had a 4-hour resistance right here. And then when we had this move failed to break this high. That was why I wasn't willing to take buys. If this move had broken above this high, I would have been looking for buys. So any of these two demand, that's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go use the restroom, guys. I'll be right back.
De kommer väl till min city, nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet du gör mig nykörare, skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig var du finns, yeah. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop, yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. So give me pain, give me pleasure, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. It's someone to love, yeah. Someone, no.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk,
should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
How did the 1 hour close? Okay, 1 hour closed above. So I probably won't see a trade until NY. We'll see.
Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss.
I think we have news though in NY today. Yeah, but it's 2 hours after NY open.
Jag skulle gå tillbaka till tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett alltid dig jag vill wifa.
Target 2132 for you after this H1 closes. It looks like a rally-based rally. Can I give you a graphic pen tablet? The last 15 to 20 minutes of the euro was good. This means most of the time USD getting weaker. And this is good for gold pass. It's rejecting this previous resistance. If good is trying to do what she did though in freaking NY yesterday. Oh man, not even the 1 hour. That's crazy. When I trade a 30-minute, this is the kind of trade I'll be taking. Just take it. I'll just take it above here. Stop loss below this candle. I don't do that no more. Yeah. You think we're going up? Yeah, there's a possibility we could continue.
Don't lie to me, London. You guys know you're broke. You ain't got the volume to push this thing up by yourselves. Stop lying.
Question is, how FOMO are you? If I definitely take this, I'm FOMOing. Because this is not my strategy right here. This is not it. So if I take it, that is FOMO. No. I'm not taking it. It can keep going. Hey, it is what it is. Congratulations to those of you that'll take it then at that point.
That dude took a sell? Yep.
Who took a sell?
Told me, said that guy took a sell. He told you.
All good had to do is just one candle. This previous candle that just could have been a freaking bearish candle.
Yeah. There you go. That's what I thought, London. Broke ass bitch. Can't go without us.
Oh, you in buys already, Addy? Oh, well. Hey, good luck to you. Oh, you're thanking me? Oh man, I don't know why you're thanking me. I didn't tell you to take it.
Everything being safe again now. Everything for your jembele, oh jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
It needs retest to push out. Man, the retest we was waiting for yesterday though in NY. It didn't happen. It just continued pushing up. My break and retest idea? Okay. When I really talk about break and retest, it's not this type of break and retest. Because you only get this one candle. So could work for a quick scalp in and out. That's why I don't like it. I don't really like break and retest on the lower time frame. I prefer it on the higher time frame. As if we go to the 4 hour, even if this thing continues, let's say we continue and we get to around here, for example, price could now on the 4 hour, you have the previous resistance right here. You just if you're looking at this on a 4 hour, you just let this do whatever, come back down, and then you'll be looking for buys here because you have a break of structure. You'll be looking for the retest and then continuation to the upside. Now price could get here again, create a resistance, do this before breaking out, moving to the next high. So as a swing trader, you had entry somewhere here, you have the break, you move your stop to the next low, and so on and so forth. Gold buy or sell, please tell me. As you can see, I'm not even in a trade myself. You're asking me to tell you buy or sell. I'm not even in a position yet. I'm following my strategy, that's it. I didn't get a position though in London on Friday, but guess what? Monday I got a position down in London. 2 actually yesterday. First position was BE. Second position was an 18 pips win. Second position wasn't on YouTube though.
I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't.
Why am I, oh, you mean why am I not using the body instead of the wick? I'll tell you why. I don't use the body of the candle because if we take a look at this bullish candle right here before this bearish candle, so this top wick was the closing and this bottom wick was the opening of the candle, meaning at one point in time price go to 2116 and then also go to 2119. At one point in time price go to that level. So this body right here to me means nothing. We got to that level, but we just did not close there. That's the difference. So if I go to the lower time frame, let's say 3 minutes, is it? Lower time frame, you can see on the lower time frame this looks like we broke above, but we didn't. We actually rejected. That's the reason why I don't use the body of the candle. I use the wicks, because at one point in time price go to that level. Since price got to that level, that is a rejection for me. Price could reject there, close above this body, but we actually tap the wick and then reject it. If that's the case, then why do we sometimes, for example here on the daily, why do we sometimes look for wick fill positions? You're looking for a wick fill position because you understand that at one point in time price go to 2149. So when you know that and you're looking to mark up your support and resistance zones, why not use the wick instead of using the body? So it's that simple, my man. I use the wicks, not body. That's what I prefer.
Damn you, London. Damn you.
And it is what it is.
Apparently London's got the money now.
This kind of closes in 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. See how this kind of closes. London is like, who you calling it?
Oh man.
You're welcome. Michael Jordan was said, before you throw the ball, everyone will tell you how to throw your facts. But when you hit it, everyone is quiet. That's 100% true, man. He also said, I failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Facts. If you're trading right now and you're still struggling, don't worry, because you're actually failing forward. You know, you might think you're failing backwards, but you're not. But you're failing forward. Because every failure you get is a learning phase for you. You have to fail. Like, you cannot avoid it. You have to fail. And the reason why it happens like that is just for, you know, God, the universe, or whatever, just to test you, to see if you're really up to the task, if you're really up for this. Are you lazy, or are you just freaking looking for quick money? Are you up to the task? Are you fit? Some people are not up to the task, that's why they quit. And people like that, man, I tell you, it's not a cause that I'm about to say they'll never make it, because they're just gonna keep jumping ship, going from this business to that business, this business to that business. Because there's nothing out there, no matter what the business is that you want to start. You want to become your own boss, no matter what field that is, you are going to fail first. You are going to fail. So it's not just with trading. You're not going to snap your fingers and then the money start coming. It's not going to happen. Some people, it might take them only a short period of time. Some people will take them long, and some people will take them longer. It just depends. But you will eventually make it. You will. Can I demonstrate a break and retest on the current H4? It's just going to be a demonstration because I don't know where it's going to be. I don't know where it's going to be. It could be after this 4-hour candle closes. I don't know. I don't know where it's going to close. So it could be after the 4-hour candle closes. Yeah, so it could be after the 4-hour candle closes, or the 4-hour candle could just come down just to create a bottom wick and then flip bullish again and keep driving. But if that happens on the 4-hour, That means there should be a demand trade here on the lower time frame. So we probably not gonna get a trade here until after the 4-hour candle closes.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Don't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud. How I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the pussy wet by the shoulder rest. What the cockatoo? What you expect? How I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game.
I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, 'cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately. Not giving up, I'm not ready yet. I'm falling down from the sky again. Overload, I'm insecure, leave me be. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine.
We'll be in once we tap 78.
Is that 78 on your broker or trading view? Okay. I was like 78, that's breaking the support. What the hell? Okay.
I'm out there.
I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? I'm not the
Man, God is doing what the exact thing she did doing NY yesterday.
ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she
Just freaking create a mana support, mana resistance, and then start flying again. Man. Boop, 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 boop. The FOMO is real.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot.
I'm gonna check the news sellers can win this week if this BS continue. No retracement to buy back up.
Let's go to work. 'Cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself. 'Cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up. 'Cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off. No.
We're already in buys and we're not coming back. Patrick is selfish, guys. Doesn't want the pullback so we can get in. It's like gold just give you just that one opportunity to take the demand trade. Once you miss that one opportunity, she's not giving you another one. That's what she did on Friday and yesterday. I'll be right back, guys. I need some water.
King, can I ask a quick question? Yeah, no problem.
What were you gonna ask me? FX.
Sorry, mate. All it was really just that. So the see that doji candle, that the bearish candle on the left hand side. I'm just trying to think where to describe it. Draw. I think around the 3 a.m. candle. The bearish. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So is that area not demand because it was wicked?
Yes.
Is that not a demand area?
It's low probability.
Okay. Yeah.
Flipped again. No, I'm not mute. I'm not mute. For our candle just opened. if I draw excuse me, if I draw a 15-minute demand here, it's going to be because we have here on the 5-minute around here, so we could come back down there and retest. That'll be the only reason why I'll have one right here. But man, this thing just wants to keep pushing up. Makes sense, FX, just in regards to the question you asked me.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, this buys is probably gonna be NY session because I don't know if we're gonna get trade here this session. We got hold on, is it PMI? Yeah, PMI.
Damn. I would actually like PMI to be earlier because then they could like try to flash crash it on PMI and then buy the dip.
Yeah. But we could get a pullback when NY opens and then start pushing up again, and then PMI you get another pullback, sells, and then bullish continuation.
Did you say we could get a pullback?
Yeah, before PMI.
I hope we can get a pullback because I don't see any.
I mean, 4-hour candle just opened, and it's yet to create that, nice bottom wick.
What part of the 4-hour candle is the news? That would be 1 hour into the 4-hour candle, I think. Wick? Ah, okay, I see what you're saying.
Oh, are you thinking about letting it drop and then buy the bottom wick?
I think that's what Kill the Beat's saying.
Yeah.
That's why I was hoping, it's like news is earlier for us because then we wait less because the news can, dump it. And obviously they're going to buy the shit out of it.
Yeah, it's quite late into New York session, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm loving this March volume though. I mean, this, even though if we might miss a move, that's fine. But God, February was just awful.
Yeah. It is much better.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Although New York session the other day was a bit painful.
Yeah, true.
The New York indices, man, they didn't make the move until, like an hour before close.
beautiful, babe. I just wanted you to see it's natural desire, 'cause you need me right now.
Yeah, I think we have different 4 hours kill to beat in London. I don't know why.
What book are you looking at?
So on my MetaTrader is the same as yours, but I it's 8 cap.
Oh yeah, A
Yeah,
cap.
okay, all right.
A cap is trash.
As soon as I said that.
Actually, forex.com is also an hour after.
Don't tell me your last name. You make me go insane. Non tu kamani na do jimo.
찬란히 빛나는 너의 이름 일기장 속에 나의 맘속에 I wouldn't change anything 이대로 시간을 돌린대도 나 지금 이대로 처음부터 소중히 담아온 나의 이
Something else. There we go. Oh man, the same thing that she did over there. Why?
All the times I convince myself there gotta be a heaven and hell. Once again you stab a chest, swear to God you're a narcissist. Never again. Through the fire, through the flames, that's how it burns when I hear your name. You let me down when I was high. Now I go first and it's your turn. Lose your head.
Nah, I don't like this.
Baby, don't know what to say, but something in it drives me crazy. I know it's yours, so tell me. When you
Jesus.
lay down in your bed, do you still dream of me?
It's over. There's no such thing as pullbacks.
When I'm thinking alone, every second without you losing it all. Let's make pancakes at midnight, drink wine, far from the city lights. I don't want it all to be over. If you ask me, meet me halfway in my mind. Grow together for real this time, baby. We can start it all over. If you ask me,
Huh?
Kill the beat. Man, that's crazy. From London Open, no bottom wick, just straight up.
Mm-hmm. Man. Warzone is calling you. Man.
Get him.
You make me want to set up my you make me want to set up my freaking PlayStation right now. Actually, you know what? I might freaking do that. I ain't touched my game in. Ooh. I ain't touched my game in 2 years. This is 2024. Yeah, 2022. That's the last time I played my game. No, wait a minute. Yeah. I think last time I played my game was around December 2022, going into 23. So a year and some months. Oh, man. We slowly get into the swing high. The pullback don't exist with good anymore. Nah, that's not true.
It'll happen. It's just these are one of those rare times.
Yeah. The pullback she really gave, it was a risky one because we didn't break above the previous high. And since then, she doesn't want to give it anymore. And that was when we retested this 1 hour, this 1 hour demand, and we're up. I want that volume. Well, there you go. There I go. Well, I didn't say she shouldn't give us an entry.
been 2 years, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. If you need somebody, you know I'm the one for you.
Oh,
Nobody, keep it on the down.
look at the 30 minutes. Oh,
Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. Got your body close to mine.
but then this 4 hour didn't even give us what we wanted.
Hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like.
4 hours yet to create that bottom wick.
Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight.
30-minute demand held, but we just don't have that 4 hour bottom wick. That's the final confirmation I would like to see now.
Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight.
Or if this candle can tap this minor resistance here on the 15-minute and then flip, we'll get an entry using this 30-minute demand here. So pretty much want something like this. Now that we broke above it, so I want this. We don't even have to come back to the demand. Just wanted to get to this either across this previous resistance and then flip. They will check the buys. Because the 4 hour candle just opened. If looking with a microscope, you can see a button wick on it per hour. Yeah, it's got it. But I just need that. I need a steeper wick than this.
I never trust like really super tiny wicks. I always want to be able to see it. I don't want to have to zoom in to see it.
Yeah, pretty much. This week looks good here on the 15-minute time frame. Oh man. Don't like it on the 4-hour. And it blew my luck when I freaking get in, and then as soon as I get it, it start pulling back. Nah.
You know it. You fucking know it. Like the whole time, I'm just like, man, I could just buy right now, but I know the moment I hit that buy, it's falling back.
Especially when it's pushed up this much. Oh nah.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's the worst feeling in the world, man. When you hit that buy button, straight into drawdown.
I need that button away from this 4-hour. Nah.
Yeah.
I ain't doing it.
But that's all, for me, that's all come from experience. I've done that so many times over the last year. I know now it's just not worth the pain. It's just not worth it.
Yeah. Look at it. Look at what this kind is doing. Oh man. Look at that. Flip bearish again.
Yeah, if anyone got FOMO, you're probably sweating now.
Imagine traders sitting in front of the chart with double glasses looking for wicks. This candle has 5 minutes to close. Hmm. Start off with this. Watching the chat for 3+ hours can get tiring. Yes, absolutely. Just close your buy at 40 pips, alright?
Come on, Goldie.
Life too short to go through it alone. When I met you, you left an open door. I keep checking in to see if you're still home. Wanna be alive, wanna be your home. Are you home? Are you there? No one ever see me the way you do, 'cause I never met anyone like you. Look up, the stars align. Now what don't I do be strong all by myself? You said it's okay to ask for help, and God, I found you now. Don't know why you keep letting me in, 'cause I'll be terrified to let someone else win over my heart, to say it out loud that I need you.
And we should get a trade though in that while today.
I think pre-NY is going to come as well.
And why? Probably. I might miss the pre-NY though.
Now I don't have to be strong all by myself. You said it's okay to ask for help, and God, I found you now. No one ever see me the
Maybe pullback finally happens here, possibly. Yeah, Max. So what I'll do here is, I think I'm done. I'll mark this demand here too, right here. This 15-minute, and then this 1 hour, and then the 1 hour down here at the bottom. If we go into pullback, one of these should hold and then push back up. So Zoom, I'm going to try and watch this. If not, if you're still watching it on your own, if you see the setup, you can take it. Should be a winning trade. If I don't send anything. YouTube, I'm done, guys. So God bless you all. Thank you guys for hopping on. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm back streaming every day, so just like I did yesterday, and I'm here today. No trades, but it is what it is. Just because we didn't get a trade today, that doesn't mean anything. It's still a winning day. We stay disciplined, looking for our setup. We just didn't get it. It is what it is. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe we'll get a trade then. So all my links is down below. God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out. Zoom, like I said, if you want to keep watching this, just one of these two zones should hold, like I said earlier. And if it doesn't, well, it is what it is. NY should be good though. We should get a buy set up. As long as we have all the, even before the news, I think we should get it set up. I'll see you guys later.
Thanks, Ed.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smiling. There's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me.